Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today I'm taking you downtown Traverse City for a tour of all the brand new shops and restaurants that are popping up for this year. I can't wait to show you everything. It is the Christmas season and we are downtown to check out all the Christmas decorations that are flourishing around all of the streets, all of the shops. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode of Traverse City Guide. We are currently walking down Front Street towards the east side. We are by Boyne Country Sports, and all the trees have little twinkling lights in them. Now, we aren't visiting at night, but that's okay. It's a little warmer now anyways. Passing Solitude, which is a float spa.
Not available.
Here's Rocket Fizz, the soda shop. There's the Greenhouse Cafe. It is a quiet December morning. All the shops have their little merch set up for Christmas and the holiday season. M22. Kilwins is one of our favorite spots for a sweet treat. Look at those caramel apples, they look so delicious. Up next is Pangea's Pizza. They have a rooftop deck and bar. The sunglass shop always has a nice window display. Look at the snowman. Fustini's as well. Look at that huge Christmas tree made out of olive oil displays. Wow. Popke's has some great popcorn too. They have a bunch of different flavors. And up on the corner of Front Street in Cass is the downtown Traverse City Christmas tree. Let's check it out, guys. Mackinac Brew Pub is no longer open. It closed a while ago. So they are no longer in operation. They have really nice food in there. Shame. You can also see people's names and plaques who've joined their mug club. There's the Christmas tree. What do you guys think? We love coming down and seeing the Christmas tree. This year it looks a little sparse, but again, they put it up a few weeks ago, so it might be just when I'm seeing it. But hey, it was donated by a family in town, which is nice. I don't have that information, but it looks like they wrapped the inside of the tree. Let me show you. It looks like they wrapped the inside of the tree, trunk with lights all the way up, which is pretty impressive actually. The fact that somebody had to get in there and wrap it. That's probably why it's so sparse, that some human had to stand in there and wrap it. That was probably a fun job. But, pretty cool. Continuing east, we have the Encore 201 Event Center, Sparks Barbecue. followed by Daisy Jane and Sweet Pea Children's Clothing Store. Gifts and Spurs Boutique. Ella's, Momentum, and the Grand Traverse Distillery. Although none of the stores are open this time of day, I really enjoy coming down here for a nice peaceful walk, especially when the sun is shining. Again, it's hard to see in the sunshine, but they have all the trees wrapped with lights. It's quite nice at night. A few weeks ago, they actually had the downtown Traverse City Light Parade. McCall, fancy schmancy restaurant. The State Theater, which everybody knows. Looks like they're showing a bunch of holiday movies. Red Ginger, which again, this guide is just for people that kind of know what it's like in the winter. I know it's probably a very repetitive video for those who've watched the others, but I know a lot of people do enjoy them. We are going to cross here, but I do want to make a few notes that Taproot just opened back up, which we've done a review in the past. You can check that out in my library. They had a kitchen fire and they just renovated and reopened weeks ago, so that's nice. Also, Morsels down there, the little bite dessert shop for breakfast and cafe is actually closed. The owner got in trouble with videotaping employees in his female's bathroom. Very shocking to the community. So Morsels is no longer open at the moment. Milk and Honey doing great. Some awesome ice cream. Flea, I always thought that was a funny name. Flea Clothing. Clementine's new. Looks like it's a boutique. Becky Thatcher Designs, art jewelry. Haystacks, there's a few locations around Traverse City area, so like Sutton's Bay, etc. American Spoon. Mr. Bill's Shirt Co. has been here a long time. Squatch Research. Have you hit that subscribe button yet? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next Traverse City guide. It goes a long way for our channel and we really appreciate it. Continuing on now. Got Glicks. Fat Face, which is an interesting name for a store. It's like a lot of warm apparel in there, that's for sure. Followed by Espresso Bay. On the corner here of Cass and Front, we have The Pub, which we still haven't had a chance to review yet, but we can't wait to head in, give it a whirl. And the flagship Cherry Republic is here, always decorating to the nines for Christmas. Just have amazing Christmas displays in there. right, we got Talbot's clothing shop. A lot of clothing and shoe stores down here. Always love these little signs they have out. The then and nows. Front Street back in the day. Flag Day Parade, 1911. The arcade is closed and getting renovated. Everyone has relocated. The Flying Noodle, still haven't had a chance to eat there as well. It's an Italian pasta house. I've heard nothing but great things about them. Poppycock's New American Cuisine. Golden Shoes, LA Cool, and Brilliant Books. Doug Murdoch's Fudge. Camera Shop. Great Lakes Bath and Body up here on the left, followed by the Outpost, which used to be Brew. Brew is no longer a place of business. It was for a long time. Now it is a kind of like a pop-up bread shop. City Opera House, can't forget them. Diversions is also closing down. They are going to be focusing on their store in Leland. Decades of business. The owner of the building decided not to renew his lease. So he will no longer be allowed to stay here after I believe the first of the year. Kind of sad. And then on the corner of Union and Front Street, we have James C. Smith Fine Jewelry, Petoskey Pretzel Co. And next to the Petoskey Pretzel Co., we got Identity Brewing Co., which just opened, used to be The Dish, and is now a brewery, but I'm hearing that a family member brews the beer and they sell it there, so they do not brew specifically there. Today we gave you a tour of downtown Traverse City for the winter of 2024. It's practically a month away anyways. We figured we'd do it while the weather was pretty mild, and we hope you enjoyed it. All the new sneak peek of all the shops that are popping up. This downtown changes often. It doesn't surprise me that with the way the economy is that shops come and go, but I think I am optimistic for the future, and I can't wait to see this town thrive. And again, thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. Until next time, I'm Justin.